So now I join from the 2 color paper, but you join from the 3, 4, 5, as you like, inside join. Same join from inside. Student, no understanding my language, no problem, but I have some instruction books and book inside from the main how to read, how to learn, then all photo pictures and book inside. Then first let's see, take the scissors and part this cut 1/3 in half. And both sides same cut 1/3 in half. So now and cut 2 pipe complete 3, 1, 2, 3 2 side long and 1 short, 2 long pipe so bend, 1 short pipe then cut. And cutting paper then fingers for press. This is complete letter T, teacher, table, many names, and take the one paper and slowly pull up. This is complete start. And next, and this is from the paper. My friend is already made from the road, but use same road. That is joint from the inside. Where side joint? Inside. My language understand? Yes. But sorry student, I can't be speaking from the loud. But don't worry my language. Just to catch my directions. And just to make the paper and moon kada. Moon kada and take the scissors and cut takhang. Cut the middle. And cut it from the half, and this is complete 2 pipe. This is 2 pipe, so bend and 2 hole here, no any number, no any size. Cut it from the inside, small cut inside. Cutting. And cut it from the small. No any number, no any size. Cut it from the small cut. And this is all paper I fold. And this is fold. Any coming big festival, nearly coming Christmas Day, then after coming New Year, Happy New Year, Christmas Day, Teacher Day, Birthday Day. So love festivals coming. How can that question go? Class, Buddha temples. So my dear student, before it's complete and keep it from the back pocket. So your festivals coming and take the one paper. Just like from the take one paper. Just only open. Open that is. This is complete from the designer. So that home, class, so dear students, and this is paper. So just connect and roll. So my dear students, this is paper and make the roll. And next join from the inside. And join from the inside and roll. So dear student, any kind of festival, my roll folds in, but I cutting difference. This is my cutting difference. And just to join from the inside. Join from inside. And same roll. So roll is complete and take support scissors. This is scissors, loud name. Ita. And cut it by 1/3 half. And 1 short and 1 long. And cut long pipe side small cut. Ita. And take long pipe then down, then straight cut full. This is cut full. And 3 color paper then separate. And paint western paper then outside. Take the one pink color paper. So cut it up round. And green paper, let it from V shape. So take any ball pen, pencil, then make 2 times 4. 1 and 2. Fingers for then up push. So complete 3 papers. So now how many color paper inside join? How many colored paper join inside? 3 colors. How many colors? 3 colors. And take the one paper and this is 3 design. One design first. And change another one and down and twist it. Name J Balaji. And cut the west and slowly push down so complete title.